Adventures in randomness. Let's go. Adventures in randomness. Let's go. Adventures in randomness.
We have a map. Wait, is that upside down? There we go. We're in SCICON. This is a grasshopper, and I picked him up. I think I'm gonna name him Jiminy, but he's not a cricket though. He's a grasshopper. He's a grasshopper though. All right. What's going on, guys? We are here today at SCICON. This is an event. It's like a wildflower barbecue type thing. This is like where the kids come to school. I've never been here, so let's go, shall we? Cow now, brown cow. What's up, brother? Interesting little, different rooms here. So we're gonna, I think all the stuff is like right over here to the left. I like that they have like this little place for their plants so they don't get ate up by wildlife. Finally, we get over here to where there's more people. They're just walking around everywhere. I don't know why. Look, guys, this is actually a Disney conservation fund. Bambi's Arbor. It's a butterfly. You must watch out for snakes. Must. This cool pond. Hello, algae. Or seagrass or something. Salamander habitat. Ooh! This is a beautiful tree. I think we found it. I don't know why we parked so far away, but let's go to the information booth. You'll serve that lot of videos.
Also right there too. Holding the
cool map. These are the places you can go. You got the tree nursery, museum, planetarium, raptor center. Is this? What the heck is a raptor center? Lodge and wildflower walks. I got spider webs all over me. Culture. Native Star Foundation. Hey, what's up?
Yeah, we're a Native Star, native nonprofit in Porterville.
Oh, nice.
We run the Boys and Girls Club in Porterville, as well as doing some community outreach stuff, such as overdose prevention and drug awareness. That's why we're giving out like Narcan kits.
Okay, I see.
For free.
Thank you for your services.
Also,
Master gardeners. And they got cool little activities and all these little plants that they have. It's cool. It's so pretty back here. We're just having a nice little conversation about. I am ready to see if we can get some barbecue up in my belly.
High school, but I didn't come.
Meeting friends there.
Oh, you did the.
Yeah, and I tried to get her to come, but she didn't want to come.
Oh, for senior?
For to help as well.
Like if you want to cut some wood or burn something, learn about it. I just realized my friends are cutting the log right now. Oh, what are you guys doing? You cut in a log? That's cool. So this is the main area. Here's more stuff over here. Gems. It's a collection of gems and rocks and things.
Make them work for
cool.
it.
You can look at rocks and things.
Yeah, I mean, if you give them a little nudge.
walk across this bridge where there's water. So pretty. And it would be this direction to the lodge. Yeah. Native American exhibit. I guess this is where the boys stay. They have different names for each cabin. Take a little detour. And look back here. It's like in between trees. And then you got this area is not running right now. It's cool looking. There we go. We found the area with the food. Other things. Even A&W's up here. Ha! Such a nice area to just chill. It's a very nice day. It's 70s. It's really great. Owls. Where? Is this just the name of the place? Huh. You on a root beer float? Yeah. Mobile Maker Lab. Interesting. Oh, you get tickets for barbecue. Oh, that's good. That's fine. We walked for 25 minutes just to get here. the area. Souvenir prices. You got t-shirts, ball caps, stickers, and license plate frames. You get a ticket and then you get in line. Wonder what's next. Visalia A? And then we got a plate of food to share. Yummy! That looks so good. This was actually $20. Got a line for hot coffee and whatnot. And then you come outside and you can eat. The river's down there too. Just rang the bell, which is pretty cool. They're gonna be a trail guide.
The plate looks so weird.
Yummy though. It's cool though. You got like different bedrooms and common area. Looks like nice and cool in here actually. Guest room, beds. You got bathroom. It's very old school, huh? Not bad.
Unless it's a teacher cabin.
Ah, maybe. Yeah, you can make a birdhouse. You can paint a birdhouse. You can go listen to music. You can ring the bell and go on a nature walk. You want to go see some flowers? It's wake up at 6:45. Early bird. Okay. Well, that's a full day now, isn't it? Okay. Pretty. Oh, these are like etched in glass or something? Oh, they're like, that is so cool. Nice. This is a fused glass piece with wildflower burnout. Plants are pressed between glass and fired.
I was just telling you,
Wow, that's so
obviously
cool.
you're the one that does
Awesome.
the...
You need water? They have Culligan water here. Well, at least they got free coffee if you want coffee, but I'm gonna get some water. Water. Smells good over here. Interesting artwork right here. SCICON Peace Friendship Journey. Look at this wonderful spot right here. Wow. John Muir Trail. That's cool. April 21st, 1838 to December 24th, 1914. Look at that old picture he took of himself there. It's beautiful. So John Muir founded the Sierra Club, an American conservation organization that helped preserve the Yosemite Valley and Sequoia National Park. Why, thank you there, sir. What a beautiful place we have here now. Thank you. This walkway and trees. Cool, man. This tree is going 4 different ways. Cool pictures along the trails. Turkey butt. Oh, these are cool. This is where that probably the habitat is, the salamander habitat. Cool things on the walls. Old building. Band playing. I'm not playing right now. Not quite sure what this is for, but cool. Squirrel. Either made by Native Americans, most likely, or even possibly the water flow. So this bridge is supposed to walk backwards on this bridge? Okay. Walking backwards. Oh, because the water used to go this way, and now the water's going that way? Something like that? Cool, clean, clear water. I like it. So peaceful out here. Rattlesnakes, because this is rattlesnake country, don't you know? It's for the Braille too. It's a Braille trail. This is a salamander habitat for babies. I want a baby. Please stay out of water. Okay. Put him in my little pond at home. It's a pretty cool trip.
In the field of random, in the world of madness, in the field of random adventures in randomness.
It's a habitat for little things.
Random adventures in randomness.
My other self in the reflection, but this right here is really cool because there's like cool algae and stuff right here. And there's salamanders somewhere, so I'm looking for them. You don't see them quite yet. It's just a reflection. A little bit muddy. Wow. Trip. It's all interesting. So the salamander's probably in here somewhere. Looks like a giant river of salamander. It goes in a big circle, I believe. It's really nice. It's so fun and dandy. Ow. Like a lion, like a dandelion. That looks good. Definitely. All those flavors. We got some good lemonade. Yes. I think I know what would be good in that. There's a red dragonfly right there. Well guys, that was what we did for the little event we had here. Drinking on some lemonade. Didn't see any salamanders. I wish I did. That'd be cool. But let's get out of here, shall we? It's like 63rd part of the Wildflower barbecue. Wildflower.
You said wildfire.
Oh.
Adventures in randomness. Let's go.